Q5708. Which flight technique is recommended for use during hot weather? A. During takeoff, accelerate quickly into forward flight. B. During takeoff, accelerate slowly into forward flight. C. Use minimum allowable RPM and maximum allowable manifold pressure during all phases of flight. The correct answer is B. Hot weather conditions can have an adverse effect on helicopter performance due to decreased air density and reduced engine efficiency. To mitigate the challenges posed by high temperatures, it is advisable to use a flight technique that allows the helicopter to gradually build up speed and generate sufficient lift. By accelerating slowly into forward flight during takeoff, the helicopter can maintain a steady climb and gradually increase its airspeed. This approach allows the rotor system to generate the required lift more effectively, compensating for the reduced air density. 5709. To taxi on the surface in a safe and efficient manner, helicopter pilots should use the A. Cyclic pitch to control starting, taxi speed, and stopping. B. Collective pitch to control starting, taxi speed, and stopping. C. Torque pedals to correct for drift during crosswind conditions. The correct answer is B. Starting, stopping, and rate of speed are all controlled by the collective pitch during taxiing. The collective pitch determines how quickly a cab will move. Taxi at a pace no faster than a casual stroll. 5710. During surface taxiing, the cyclic pitch stick is used to control A. Heading. B. Ground track. C. Forward movement. The correct answer is B. Apply a progressive upward pressure on the collective pitch and move the cyclic slightly forward of the neutral position to advance the helicopter along the surface. Use the pedals to maintain heading and the cyclic to maintain ground track. 5711. To taxi on the surface in a safe and efficient manner, one should use the cyclic pitch to A. Start and stop aircraft movement. B. Maintain heading during crosswind conditions. C. Correct for drift during crosswind conditions. The correct answer is C. The cyclic pitch control in a helicopter is used to adjust the angle of the rotor blades individually as they rotate. By making cyclic inputs, the pilot can control the direction and attitude of the helicopter during various flight phases, including taxiing on the surface. In crosswind conditions, where the wind is blowing from the side, the helicopter may experience drift or be pushed off course. To maintain the desired heading and counteract the crosswind, the pilot can use cyclic inputs to adjust the rotor blade angles. By applying cyclic pitch control inputs in the appropriate direction, the pilot can correct for the drift caused by the crosswind and maintain a straight path while taxiing. 5712. A pilot is hovering during calm wind conditions. The greatest amount of engine power will be required when A. Ground effect exists. B. Making a left pedal turn. C. Making a right pedal turn. The correct answer is B. If no throttle is provided, the RPM will fall during a hovering left turn. If the throttle is not significantly lowered, rappel will rise during a hovering turn to the right. This is because the pitch angle at which the tail rotor blades are operating determines how much engine power is being absorbed by the tail rotor. Avoid making significant RPM adjustments when turning, since this may cause the nose to move erratically owing to torque variations.